queen. Yet another kingdom falls to your glory.
It's amazing how relevant this story is after all these years.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is fairest of them all?
You are the fairest, but there is another destined to surpass you.
What does she want from me?
We're making a new fairy tale, and it's so worthy of the word.
Consume her heart, and you shall rule forever.
Snow White comes out of prison and finds the state of the earth is so poisoned by our evil queen.
Thematically, there's a much larger sort of story there now.
Find me someone who doesn't fear the dark forest to hunt her down.
Hey! If I refuse?
The director's vision is fantastic. Very dark and gothic.
It really does take you somewhere that is like otherworldly.
Snow White has an effect on people that she instills hope in them.
You have eyes, Huntsman, but you do not see. She is destined to end the darkness.
I've seen what she sees. I can kill her. It's really been awesome to play a young girl who is so human.
I will give this wretched world the queen it deserves.
We all want to make these kind of movies that really make people feel things.
Lips red as blood, hair black as night. Bring me your heart, my dear, dear Snow White. Let them come.